Of Travel TV channel, it's your girl Larinette Apaje, and it's another edition of your program Cuisines on Travel TV. And today is a very exciting moment for us. We are live at Chef Nina's Cuisine, the grand opening, where we have a lot of people tripping in today to enjoy the buffet. It's the restaurant found at Mobile Njonjo, Bali, and it's the first time this kitchen is being opened. Nina is one of the best chefs ever, and she has decided to find her way into Douala to see what she can do. Let's have a look at the different variety of meals present here, and then we'll have a taste of it. We are at the grand opening of Chef Nina's kitchen, and right with me on Travel TV, we are privileged to have Nina with us. So happy to do it with you, and this is how we are so fun on our program Cuisines on Travel TV. And today we are so happy to be at your grand opening. I can see it's a very big buffet. What do we have?
Thank you so much for coming, and I was very, very happy when you called. Today is the grand opening of my restaurant, Chef Nina's Cuisine, and today marks 1 year since I moved to Douala and started business in Douala. We have a very big buffet. We have almost everything. We have a variety of starters, of main dishes, proteins and complements. We have salads, we have fruits, we have chicken, there is fish, there is goat, there is pork, there is snails, there is kwakoko and banga soup, there is fried rice, there is ndole, there is yam, there is achu, there is koki. Oh my God, there is everything on that table, like everything. Let me pick a bit. There is, this is pork, there is fruits. In fact, there is everything Cameroonian.
Trust me, the audience of Travel TV are actually seeing the different dishes you're talking about, because we actually took the pictures before, and it's really quite exciting. But Nina, I want to find out, you are just moving into Douala, you're launching at a restaurant. I know restaurant business is at its peak in Douala. How is it for you to stand competition?
Well, you know, there's something I was taught by my mom. I'm not bothered about competition. I always believe, they always say there is a lot of space for the birds to fly in the air. So to humans, if there are so many businesses, so many restaurants, I've just come to do what I love to do, what I'm passionate about. And I know God is going to map out my own clientele. God has been doing it since I came to Douala. I have my own clients, and you know, it's not about the competition. It's just about doing what I love to do, serving people food. I've been doing this for more than 8 years. Began working with my mom, who is a renowned caterer in the Southwest. So this is not much about competition. It's not much about competition. It's just about me doing what I want to do, me doing what I love to do, and establishing in what I love to do. So you can tell everybody, tell all your audience that Chef Nina is in Douala, and Chef Nina is open for business.
Okay, I'll put it in ekpang, I'll put it in sanga, they call it this way, and in the fish cookery I'll just put
variety of everything on the table, every Cameroonian dish and African dish, whatever. What I liked especially was the ekwa and her snails, because she's very good for that. Yes, so well, she really does it the way my mom does it. Exactly. And how does my mom do it? Well, like how every Ecuadorian dish is do. Okay, you want the recipe? In fact, the moment I tasted it, I was like, oh, I know I'm in the right place.
What is the niche of your kitchen? I mean, what's the spice, that thing that makes it unique?
I have So many.
I know you've been renowned for
Slow
your
boys.
snowballs, but
Yes.
now when I look at your red carpet, I see gari, I see cabbage, I see
Oh, the
yam, I see
backdrop.
pear, I see
Everything.
a lot.
We
What-
just wanted the backdrop to be a representative of the Cameroonian cuisine. You see, we did the logo in the middle, and then we put all the kind of Cameroonian dishes we have, from achu to kondre. You can see pool fish, mpem, cabbage, egusi pudding, and we have majority of those meals on the buffet. My niche, almost everything, because there is nothing which comes out from the buffet of Chef Nina which is not.
We wish you luck.
Thank you so much
And
for
that's
coming.
how
Thank you
we
so
do it
much.
on Travel TV. I'm with Chef Nina on
Did
her
you see
grand
our-
opening of her kitchen. Yeah, we did. We had a look of your cake, the specialty, the
Okay.
wine bar, and all the different meals that we found
Thank you
here
so
today. We
much.
are so happy to be with
Thank
you.
you, love.
And
Thank you
please
so much.
always follow Travel TV channel on YouTube.
Follow Travel TV.
On Facebook, and we are going to tag Chef Nina's Kitchen on Facebook so that all the
I'll give a
audience.
1 minute shout out to my interior designer, Dream Days Decor. There she is. She has been doing an amazing job. All the work you see here was handled by she and her team. She's a friend, she's a business partner, and she's an amazing lady. So when you admire the space, the woodwork, everything, you give it up for Daisy. Even the artwork, you give it up to Dream Days Decor.
Thank you very much, Dream Days Decor. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, to share. It's Travel TV channel.
Subscribe on Travel TV channel on YouTube.
Yeah, and on our website it is www.tvtravelchannel.com. Thank you very much.
Thank
and
you.
keep watching the program Cuisine.
Okay. Mwah.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share and click on the bell icon to get notification on our latest updates.